Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Mike from Blueface Plus, another episode. Today we're going to just do a quick little unboxing here. I got some wireless microphone set. I just want to thank one of my subscribers or viewers out there has recommended me having a microphone on some of my videos. You know, the quality of them, I just haven't been able to, I guess people haven't been able to hear very well, and I've noticed that, so I wanted to do something more quality for my videos here going forth. Just want to thank my subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please check out some of my stuff. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. But if you're here for the wireless headset or microphones for your YouTube channel, or whatever projects you're working on, if it's something you're interested in, I'm going to show you guys what I got here and do a quick unboxing. And I appreciate y'all. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, right off the back, these are a EVIN, wireless microphone set that I had actually just picked up on Amazon, very cheap. I think it was this unit here was under 30 bucks. So let's go ahead and just open this up and see what we got. So, alright, right out the box, we got, looks like a little charging case, which is really, open that up. So it looks like you get, I think, 2 different microphones. So these just clip on. Well, that's pretty nice. Like I said, I'm not familiar with these, but it looks like a little charging case. So I'm actually going to get these charged up because I got a couple videos I want to work on. I'm kind of all over the place with my content. You never know what you're going to see. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Looks like this is for an iPhone, and then I'm a Droid user, unfortunately. No, I'm joking. But I believe they give us the adapter. Looks like they have a USB adapter, and they got these little microphone wind mics that help that out. But where is, it probably is a C. Okay, those charge, but still, we need to find. Oh, okay. Okay. That's not making much sense here. They're supposed to have 2 of these. You know what? They don't have the adapter for my phone, but it looks like they're supposed to ship 2 of these. But either way, I'm not sure. But I'll find that out. But I do have an adapter piece that I use for my thermal camera. I have a video on that, so if that's something you're interested in, check that out. But it looks like this will go into your phone, and I don't have my phone here, so I will be sure to figure that out and get that set up. But overall, you got these little guys here to help with the mics, charge it up, and that's really all you got. And it's a nice little case. So either way, like I said, have you used these before? Leave a comment. Maybe if you circle back, I'm going to give these a whirl. If I end up liking them or I have any issues, I'll let you guys know. But be sure to stick around, and hopefully you'll hear me better in my next videos. Y'all take care, and God bless. Alright, so messing with these on off camera, I actually found out a little bit about them. So to charge them, I believe this actually has battery, so you just pop them in there, and look, it tells you the charging. You just peel this off. Charging. Also, they do give you 2 of these. That helps. So you can have it, whichever one you're not using, which I'm not going to be using this one, so I'll leave that stored here. This one's going to go in my phone. I'm going to say, I thought they gave us both, so that's good to know. And then just give you a little mic thing. It looks like it just kind of, there's the mic right there. So boom, just like that, y'all. And that's the things all these YouTubers are holding in their mouth. So look at that. Gonna try to become a little profession now. So there we go, y'all. That's what she wrote. Stay tuned for the next video. Hello, hello. How we doing? How we doing? Testing, testing. All right, we got the mic clipped up. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All right, I'm in the master bedroom. Can you hear me in the master bedroom? All right. Checking 1, 2, 3. Checking 1, 2, 3. Let's check it out. Now as we get closer. Checking. And we're here at the phone. So yeah, guys, just plug her in and start charging.